Keyboard not popping up on your Android? Don't worry, this fix takes just 1 minute. Fix 1. Restart your phone. First, press and hold the power button on your phone. Now, tap on Restart or Power Off. After that, turn it back on. Most of the time, this fixes the issue because it clears memory bugs. Fix 2. Force stop the keyboard app. Go back to the Settings app on your device. Then, scroll down and tap on Apps. Again, scroll down and tap on Gboard or your keyboard app. This opens the Gboard info. At the bottom, tap on Force Stop, and then confirm it. Fix 3. Clear keyboard cache. If the issue continues. Again, access to the keyboard app info screen. Here, scroll down and tap on Storage and Cache. At the bottom, click on Clear Cache. This removes corrupt temporary files that break the keyboard. Fix 4. Uninstall keyboard updates. Go back to the keyboard app info screen. At the bottom, click on Uninstall. Then select OK. Now restart your phone. Once the restart is complete, your keyboard should start working normally again. And that's it. For more tips and tricks, subscribe to Tech Simplify.